Hey, future Indian entrepreneurs, thinking of starting an MSME? It's an exciting time, but knowing the landscape is key. Based on a recent SIDBI report on the Indian MSME sector, here's a quick checklist of what's happening and what to watch out for. Here are the advancements and opportunities you should build into your plan. Formalize early. Join the formalization drive. Over 6.2 crore MSMEs registered by March 2025. Getting registered early helps. Go digital. Digital adoption is high. 90% of MSMEs accept digital payments. Make digital payments easy for customers. Also, 18% use digital lending platforms, showing potential for credit access via tech. Consider exports. MSMEs increased their export share to 45.7% in the financial year of 2024. Exporting MSMEs tend to adopt technology better. Look for international potential. Think sustainability. Over 1/3 of MSMEs use sustainable practices like energy efficiency or renewable energy. This is growing and can benefit your business. Women entrepreneurs. A significant 26.2% of proprietary enterprises are women-owned. If you're a woman, you're part of a growing supported group, although challenges remain. Be aware of these key challenges and plan how to navigate them. Access to credit. Getting timely and adequate credit remains a challenge for many. Micro-enterprises still rely on informal sources at 12%. Plan your funding needs meticulously. Credit gap exists. There's an estimated credit gap of about 24%, that is 30 lakh crore rupees. This gap is higher in services at 27% and significantly higher for women-owned MSMEs at 35%. Be prepared for this and seek out relevant schemes. Adopt modern marketing. Around 70% of MSMEs still use traditional marketing. This hinders growth. Your plan must include e-commerce and digital marketing to reach customers effectively and stay competitive. Skilled labor shortage. About 1/4 of MSMEs face a shortage of skilled workers, particularly in certain sectors. Think about how you will attract and retain talent. Address tech gaps. Inadequate technology adoption is a major obstacle. Budget for and integrate appropriate technology to boost productivity and competitiveness. Sustainability awareness. While adoption is growing, 33% cite limited awareness as a barrier to sustainable practices. If you aim for sustainability, educate yourself and your team. High competition. Competition is a significant hurdle, especially noted by women-led MSMEs at 41%. Know your market and your unique offering. Supply chain issues for exporters. If exporting, be ready to tackle potential supply chain difficulties. Building an MSME is about seizing opportunities while smartly navigating challenges. Use this quick checklist based on the SIDBI report to guide your planning. Formalize, go digital, market smart, and be prepared for funding and talent hurdles. What's your biggest takeaway from this list? Let us know below. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe.